guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is our last day in Florida and we're about to go get breakfast with my grandma and grandpa, and then I think we're gonna go to the beach for a little bit. Here's my outfit, Shein, swimsuit Shein, and yeah, we're going to the place I went to like one of the first nights I was here, but we're going there for breakfast, so it'll be good.
Baby, not stop at all.
I know, look how far.
Take mine.
Our last beach day. It's really warm. Hopefully I'm not burnt. These waves are huge. I don't want to be in the wake. I don't want to be in the wake. I like, you want to be next to a big group, so when the shark comes, it can eat them. Uh-oh. No? Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? I thought there was something, but there wasn't. Go! Oh my god, there's jellyfish! Just kidding. I'm joking! He's coming over here. Leave. Pranks, yeah. Okay, last time at the beach. Sad. What? It's our last time at the beach.
I know, I'm so sad.
Can't see anything. Yeah. See, my grandpa should be here.
How was it? All right?
Yep. Allie in her natural habitat. Watching TikTok. And Allie shut the door in my face.
Because she came out on my side when she could have gone out on her perfectly like open side.
She almost hit my nose.
Fresh out of the oven nose. Get your mask. Excuse me.
No. Blue, blue.
You're blue.
I'm blue. This is the best bread.
Okay, well we have. Don't scare her yet. Yes. May I have some salt?
If it's cloudy out, they don't come out.
My grandpa loves squirrels.
They won't
He
come
shoots
out
them with
if
a
it's gonna rain.
Okay, we're packing our stuff up. Our suitcases are on the bed. I'm gonna montage it.
Oh, I already packed.
Allie already packed. I'm gonna pack.
She was too lazy.
That was like something Brooke would do. Ow! Stand like that. Good night. What time are we leaving tomorrow?
Probably around 10.
Want to start loading around 10, yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, sweetie.
Night.
Good night.
Ow. Okay, so Allie and I are just finished like packing everything up. We are leaving today from Florida. Here's our outfits. Biker shorts. Yeah, so we just like got everything, all our cords and everything. Bedding off the bed. Suitcases are ready. And yeah. We're gonna stop at Starbucks on the way. My grandma and grandpa said we could. That's it. It's gonna take us off. It's currently 9:25. No, because they're gonna have to put one on anyways. Got our Starbucks. Grandma got her Starbucks.
Let me hold it up.
Yay.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Oh, you take care.
Grandpa, that purple one's mine.
You'll see her upstairs.
I'll see you upstairs. Is there a trash can?
Yeah. Don't worry about it, Grace. We'll get it.
Okay.
Hey, sweetie.
Bye.
Hey, honey. Love you.
Love you too. Thanks for having me. Bye, Grandpa.
Bye-bye. You were good.
Take a picture of all three of us here.
Oh, okay.
You were really good. You were good. You were.
Here, let's do it on here.
We're gonna miss you, Grace. Love you, sweetie.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later. Back with Allie. My flight got delayed, so they switched me to a later flight because like I wouldn't make my connection. And so now I leave at 1:45, but who knew Frontier would pull through?
Lauren Andrews, Brandon Hall, April Altman, Jessica Swapper, Nicole Broyles, and Nathan Broyles. Report C-45 for departure to Seattle. Doors are closing shortly.
I'm at my gate, so I have a while before we're supposed to board since I switched my flight over. So I'm just gonna do some emails and stuff because I haven't like emailed any companies back or anything since I've been gone. But yeah, that's basically it. I don't board till 1:45, so I'm just gonna chill. These things are so obnoxious when you walk through. Don't stop, keep moving. So I don't know if you can hear me. My viewfinder is literally like broken. It keeps like falling off. It's going to Best Buy tomorrow, but I'm home. I'm heading to baggage claim. Allie's like already there, so there they are. Long time no see. Long time no see. How's flight? Good.
Oh, wow.
What is she doing?
Not even on right. It's not even on right. Wait, how do you put it on?
Is that one of those ones with a hole in it? I just showered. I was talking to my parents for a little bit, but they wanted me to shower, so I just showered. My like flip camera is like broken. I'm taking it into Best Buy tomorrow anyways, so at least I'll get it fixed. Look at my watch stand. But oh my god, holy moly, this is so confusing. Okay, So yeah, I'm taking my camera into Best Buy tomorrow to get fixed and stuff because it's been kind of messed up for a while now. But I'm about to do my skincare and stuff. It's like 1 a.m. Florida time. So I'm pretty tired, but I'm gonna go talk to my parents for a little bit and then go to bed. And I just threw on a t-shirt and brushed out my hair. But the trip was so much fun. I really didn't want to leave. If I could like have stayed in Florida, I literally would have. But the issue was I didn't have a car and I have a job now, which like is cool, you know, it's fine. I'm fine. Yeah, it just made me realize like I definitely do want to move there, and I feel like having the car gave me such a good like feel for like being able to be on my own there and like knowing my way around the streets, because like by the end of the week I knew my way around like Bradenton and Sarasota. Being able to go to the beach at your own convenience is like so spoiled. Like people that live there are so spoiled because like California, we have beaches. The beaches are like 2.5 to 3 hours from me, so they're not really like convenient for us here, and like they're not easy to access at all. But I think I went to the beach like once over the summer, and I went to the beach like every day, if not multiple times a day. Like just like even catching just like a sunset at the beach was so nice. I just love it. I just like feel so at home over there. And like being here now, I'm just like, I want to go back. I just wanted to like tell you guys my highlight of the trip. I would say my highlight of the trip would either be the Thursday. Allie and I went to the beach like all day long and we just hung out there. I was in like my purple tie-dye bikini, but that was definitely like I think one of my favorite days. And then jet skiing was super fun with Amaya and just hanging out with Amaya. So those were probably my highlights. And then with my grandparents, doing dinners and that type of thing. I know I didn't always vlog them because, you know, just was trying to spend time with them. But thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.